Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Toe Fungus Crystal Flush, an innovative toenail fungus treatment that promises to restore your nails to their healthy, natural state. If you've been battling toenail fungus, you know it can be tough to find something that actually works. This product offers a solution, and in this video, we're going to tell you everything you need to know. Toenail fungus, while common, can cause pain, embarrassment, and a lot of frustration. Traditional treatments often fall short or take months to show results. That's where the Toenail Fungus Treatment Extra Strength by VRFORCE comes in. This liquid formula is designed to target and treat fungus both on the nail and the surrounding skin. But what makes this product stand out from the rest? First, let's talk about the ingredients. This treatment uses a blend of 7 powerful natural oils. These oils include tea tree oil, known for its antifungal properties, as well as jojoba oil, lavender oil, and peppermint oil. Each contributing to the healing process by reducing inflammation and providing relief from discomfort. Apricot kernel oil, camphor oil, and bergamot oil further boost the treatment's effectiveness by restoring damaged nails and promoting healthy nail growth. This carefully chosen mix of ingredients means you get a safe, gentle, yet powerful treatment for your toenail fungus. The application is simple and easy. Just apply a thin layer of the treatment to the affected area, focusing on the nail and the cuticle, twice a day. It absorbs quickly, so you don't have to worry about a sticky residue or long drying times. For the best results, you'll need to stick with the treatment for about 8 to 10 weeks, though results may vary depending on the severity of the fungus. What makes this product so effective is not only its potent formula but its focus on restoring the overall health of the nail. It's designed to not only fight the fungus but also to rejuvenate cracked, discolored nails. If your nails are damaged, this treatment will help bring them back to life, leaving you with healthier, stronger nails. If you've been struggling with nail fungus, this treatment could be a game changer. It's easy to use, effective, and packed with natural ingredients that support your nails' long-term health. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to toenail fungus, give the Toenail Fungus Treatment Extra Strength by VRFORCE a try. Thank you for watching this review here at Product Critique. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future product reviews.